How are we all doing? I hope everyone is keeping well out there at the moment. I haven't had much time over the last couple of weeks here to be in the workshop. Number one, the weather's too good to be in here really. Number two, I'm doing a lot of work in the garden. Got a bit of landscaping done there. And I'm planting grass at the minute and picking stones and things. And we're also building a raised flower bed. So that's keeping me, between that and work, I'm kept busy. But I wanted to come out here anyway and make a video and mention a few things. The first thing I wanted to mention was a couple of weeks back, I just happened to be the 1 millionth poster on the UK Vintage Radio and Restoration Forum. So, which I have to say, I'm very proud to be able to give myself that accolade. I'm by no way the most prolific poster. In fact, I rarely post, but the knowledge base and some of the members on there, their knowledge is incredible. I mean, you could take a picture of any obscure electrical vintage item, put it on that forum, and you know, within half an hour someone will tell you what it was, what year it was made, who made it, where it was made, the name of the fella that made it. It's incredible. So yeah, I have to say I'm very proud to be a member of the UK Vintage Radio Repair and Restoration Forum. I'll leave a link in the bottom of this video for anyone that doesn't know about the forum. It's very interesting, and the members there, they've got great patience with people, especially, you know, I found a record player in my granny's attic kind of thing, and how do I fix it, and you know, they have great patience for dealing with people like that. So a couple of the members organised for me to get a little present for being the millionth poster, and it was 24 cans of Guinness. So I want to say thank you very much, and they're going down quite nicely, I have to say. So an extremely kind and generous thing to do. So fantastic forum, a great little community for anyone that's interested in vintage electronics. I have to say it's great. Take the phone out for half an hour when I'm you know, sitting in a doctor's office or whatever, out shopping, waiting for the wife. You know, you can go on there and have a look. It's great, and you learn something new on it every day. So it's wonderful. So I'm very happy to be a member, and you should consider joining if you're not a member. Certainly lots of interesting reading on there. Television time. Good television time. A couple of weeks ago we talked about the Ferguson MovieStar with the No Mendy F6 chassis, and I said that I had another one here in the workshop. Stop doing that. And here it is. But I did remember that this one had a fault. I fixed a frame output problem on this, and when I fixed it, I slipped with the probe and I blew the chip. However, I scrapped one of these that had been smashed. The cabinet was smashed, and I have said frame output panel from it because I kept it for it. So we'll go about doing that anyway. I'll just go to plug it in and make sure that it still is frame collapsed. It's that long ago, but I'm pretty sure that's what happened at the time. Cheers. Jesus, that's the business. Ah, yeah. Plenty of that. Now, let's see what she does. The other thing is, I said this was cosmetically very tidy, but it's actually, this one's probably a little bit better. Turn down the brightness just in case we don't want to burn a line in the screen. there we are. Frame collapse. Alright. We'll spin it around and we'll get the other panel into it and see will she do the business. So I hope everyone's keeping well out there at the minute. As I say, busy gardening and that. Weather's being excellent here. Really hot. Almost too hot to be doing that. And but we had a nice bit of rain there the other night, so the grass seed should take off well. Hopefully. So I've lots to be doing. I find that the shed and this kind of thing and radio and whatever, it's more of a winter thing. I don't like being in here when the sun is shining outside. Fair enough if you're unfortunate that you have no choice, but I like to be doing other things. It's, you know, when it's cold and windy and rainy and dark out, you know, there's nothing else you can do, and it's nice to retreat into a nice warm workshop then. However, come out. Oops. Right. So we'll try it in the service position. I think I said in the other video that you can put the panels, the other boards in on the back of the panel for test purposes. Let's see what she wants to do now. Oh, one of the things I should have mentioned in the other video, I think someone pointed it out in the comments. The little plastic insert on the switch is a key, so you can't switch it on without it. So say you had this as a second set in a kid's bedroom or something and you were concerned they were watching a bit too much telly at night, you turn off the set and you pull this out and they can't switch it on, which I thought was kind of neat. The other problem with this, cosmetic wise, is the fork for the volume control has been snapped off. So I'm going to have to try and make something up there. Oh, we've a full raster anyway. Right, I'm going to nick your aerial off you. This might be tuned in on one of the settings from the last time was that. There we are. Oh god, look at the grayscale. Ugh. Now, as someone said before, get it right in black and white. But when it's only a little bit out, I just use the wedge. I don't bother turning off the colour. That, yeah. Looks a bit blue, alright. Right, let's have a squint at the. Where's the drive pots? I'll bring the old camera in for a look. Red, green, blue. Oh, well, I see the problem. The red control has fallen apart. Alright, telly off. Telly off. I'll crack the safe block as well, so we're double sure of it. Take that out because we don't want to smash that. Yeah, you can see where the red pot's just falling asunder, which isn't good. I wonder, have I got one? Yeah, it's rotten. Let's see, 470k. I'll have a look at my vast stock and see what I've got. Alright, you know how I'm so keen on doing the job right. I found a 1 meg pot. So I'm just going to tack that across the board here and see if I can set up the grayscale, and it'll do. Because I'm not getting paid for it. Alright. Let's see if we can set up the grayscale now then. Oh wait, I can put the frame output panel back on. There we go. Oh, it already looks a lot better. Beep, 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 beep. Little screwdriver. Little screwdriver that fits. Do. Bah, you can never find that when you want it. Alright, so I finally found a suitable screwdriver. So we'll turn off the colour. Turn the colour down all the way. And choose one of these. Which one is it? There we go. And we'll just twiddle the red till we have a sort of a black and white looking picture. Green, ooh, red, ooh. Now it's hard to see this on the phone camera anyway. You even see it, you can see a difference, yeah, when I go through, but that's about it. Right, that'll do. There's no point messing around with it anymore. Let's let's turn the colour up again now. See how it looks. Yeah, that's not bad. Right, I'll put the two panels back on the proper side of the board, and then I'll turn it around and I get a splitter on, and we'll have the two of them on with the same picture, and we can see what way they compare to one another. Right, there's the two of them together. I don't think the tube was up to as much as that one. I think this is a fairly high mileage set. I'm just going to try and twiddle the focus a little bit. That's as good as it gets. The grayscale could probably do with another little twiddle on this actually. No, leave it alone. It's good enough. Yeah, it's not too bad looking at all. Can you stand back, man? Yeah, good looking sets. So that's two of them I have. And happy enough with them. I'll have to do something with the shaft snapped off the volume slider there. Even if I take a slider apart and take the bit out of it, but then I'll have to find one of these as well. I might have a few of them knobs knocking around now, transistor radios. That's lovely. Right, well that's about it. I don't have much more to say. Only once again, thank you to everyone on the UK Vintage Radio Forum, and I'll leave a link in the description for anyone that might be interested in having a look. And I'll leave a link for, there's two more forums as well. There's the VRAF forum, Radios TV, and Galborn. So I'll leave a link to the two of them as well in the description. They're two other good forums. VRAF would have a lot of stuff on television as well. So yeah. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching. I'll try and get another video out soon, and hopefully it's been somewhat interesting, and I'll talk to you again soon. Cheers everyone, and take care for now.